Hey guys, no, it is not a trick. We really are giving away an $8,000 embroidery machine and a ticket to DecoSummit, so stick around to find out how to win. So if you haven't heard, we here at Ricoma are putting together our first ever conference, and it is called DecoSummit. It is an all-out 2-day conference focused on learning everything that you need to know about the custom apparel industry. All right, so let's get to what you are here for. How do you win an EM-1010 included with accessories, training, warranty, and support? The answer is simple. All you have to do is attend DecoSummit. I actually suggested this idea and I really didn't think that they were gonna go for it, but since it is our inaugural event, we decided to go big. And more recently, last week actually, I asked if we can give away a DecoSummit ticket and they said yes as well. So if you want to learn how to get a free ticket, watch this video for info on that giveaway that's going on right now as we speak. So what's going to happen is that every one of our 200 attendees at DecoSummit will be enrolled in a raffle, and at the end of the event, we're going to be announcing the lucky winner that will be taking home one of our best-selling embroidery machines with everything included for free. This includes training and support like I mentioned earlier, and speaking of training, this leads me to reason number 2 why you want to go to DecoSummit. You will get access to training on embroidery, DTG, heat transfer, digitizing, and so much more. And not only will you be trained on all of these disciplines in the custom apparel industry, but you're going to be hearing it from the pros themselves. We're going to be bringing in plenty of industry leaders, speaking and hosting hands-on trainings so that you guys can learn from people who have been there and done that. We were even able to pull some of your favorite YouTubers, which you probably already know and love, like Reyes the Entrepreneur, who covers heat transfer and DTG, and Gary from T-Shirt Help Desk, who teaches people how to start and succeed in the custom apparel business. We'll also be bringing in some of the industry's best educators like Lisa Shaw, who you have probably seen teaching digitizing in the past, and Eve Lowry from the Baby's Booty YouTube channel, who is also going to be teaching digitizing with a total of 8 digitizing classes between the two of them. And yes, all of these speakers who I just mentioned will be hosting general admission classes, so you don't have to worry about spending more on your ticket to see all of these speakers and get to ask them questions in person. This conference is great not only for those looking to take their business to the next level, but for those who are actually just on the sidelines, looking for new ways to make money, or just interested in the custom apparel business and don't know where to begin. The conference is going to be held in our new headquarters right here in Miami, Florida. So not only do you get to check out the new HQ, which is beautiful by the way, but you also get to see the beautiful sites in Miami, Florida, where you can enjoy the beach, the sun, museums, bars, massive malls, and some pretty amazing local Hispanic food in addition to your usual choices. Also, considering that you're going to be in our new building, you can come check out that new embroidery machine that you had your eye on, or you can also, if, like I said before, if you are new to the business, you can come and find out what the best piece of equipment for you and what's the best custom apparel method for you to start with. So now the question is, how can I win a free DecoSummit ticket? Well, all you have to do is visit our Instagram page and all the details will be laid out there for you. So let's just imagine for a minute if you were so lucky to win a free ticket to DecoSummit, but you also won the free EM-1010. Not only will you gain the knowledge to start your business, but you'll also have the equipment you need as well. So with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and link the Instagram below as well as the DecoSummit page for those of you who want more details. Again, any questions, let me know in the comments below, and thank you for watching.